In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter employee payroll withholding in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through setup, running payroll, reviewing liabilities, making payments, and checking your reports so your books reflect every withholding accurately. Start by confirming your payroll is set up correctly. In QuickBooks Online, open payroll, then employees and payroll settings. Make sure each employee has accurate personal details, the right pay rate, and current tax information. Confirm your QuickBooks. Online payroll subscription is active and that the bank account you'll use for payroll is linked. When these pieces are in place, QuickBooks calculates employee withholdings automatically, which saves time and prevents errors. Next, verify the tax and deduction information for each employee. Review federal and state W-4 entries, confirm Social Security and Medicare are configured, and check any retirement plan contributions and health insurance or other voluntary deductions. Match the deduction amounts to your benefit plans and double-check that start dates line up with the pay period you're about to run. Now you're ready to run payroll. Go to Payroll and choose Run Payroll. Select the correct pay schedule, pay period, and pay date. Enter hours for hourly team members or confirm salaries for salaried employees. QuickBooks will calculate gross wages, federal and state tax withholdings, Social Security and Medicare, and any retirement or benefit deductions. Review the net pay for each employee and make sure everything looks right before you approve. After payroll processes, review the liabilities that QuickBooks records. Go to Taxes, then Payroll Tax. Look at the balances for federal income tax withholding, Social Security payable, Medicare payable, state income tax payable, and any other deductions. These should match the totals from the payroll you just ran. If you enter payroll manually, record the payment with a journal entry. Select Plus New and choose Journal Entry. Debit your payroll expense accounts for gross wages and benefits, credit the payroll liability accounts for the withholdings, and credit your bank account for the net pay. For example, with $1,000 in gross pay and $200 withheld for taxes, you debit wages expense $1,000, credit payroll tax payable $200, and credit the bank $800. Save the entry. When it's time to remit deductions, go to Taxes, then Payroll Tax to see amounts due and due dates. Record each payment by debiting the appropriate payroll tax payable and crediting your bank account